Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll do this design that you are seeing. I'm using reverse French and the heart there. I will show you the methods that I've been using, and we'll do a little bit of nail prep, but just a short one. You know, I have many videos with nail prep, so you can check them in the playlist for manicure and gel nails. These nails, I have them for 2-3 weeks. There is no lifting and it's time to take them off. We'll do a nail refill and we'll change the shape from coffin to stiletto, almond. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know when I'm posting any videos. Now I removed all the gel color. I remove it off camera, and I want to try this method of shaping nail into stiletto. I've seen this tutorial on a TikTok video, and I want to try it. It's difficult for me to make all nails same size or same shape, because sometimes I mean, when I'm doing on myself, when I'm looking straight at the nails, I see one shape. When I put my nails up, I'm seeing another shape. So it's kind of struggling. I want to try this method to see how it's working. I've tried on my right hand and it was much better. I can do better than this, but still it was working on the dominant hand is again double struggle. So I'm using this marker and I'm trying to make the points where I'm filing and where I need to cut to get into shape. It's a very easy method. I thought it would take more time, but no, it's just okay. Even now I have to reshape it. See, even when I'm looking at the hand like this and looking up, still I have to reshape it. So I'm using the sanding bit. This is 150 grit. I'm just filing the corners. In the video that I've seen, the nail technician was using a nail clipper, but for me are too short and I don't need this. I can do it from a drill bit. But as well, you can use a nail clipper if you want. So I'm just cutting to shape, I'm filing to shape, and when I'm happy with the guidelines, with this new shape, I'm using the nail file. I think I will shape only one nail on camera, and after that the other ones I will do them off camera. I'm just following the black marker now and to shape it, to remove as well the bulk from the nail and to shape it properly. It's an easy method, so if you want to give it a try, give it a try. It's looking much better. I'm using the nail remover, a nail cuticle remover. This is one of the best ones that I've tried until now. I bought it from Amazon. It softens the cuticles and I just have to push them and most part is gone. This is a cuticle pusher, plastic, from Shein. I bought it. You can find it on Shein, on AliExpress, on Amazon as well. This is also a very easy way, because being plastic you can sanitize it. I would not recommend to use it from one person to another, but at least when you are using on yourself, you can sanitize it at every manicure. It's very easy, yes. So it's the same thing if you are using the bamboo cuticle pusher. Same thing, there is no issue, only that one is bamboo, this one is plastic. So I'm trying to push all the cuticles. Now remove that solution. And as you can see, they are already falling off. Still, I will use the drill bit for cuticles because I want to clean under and to make sure that I'm removing everything to not cause any liftings. If you wonder why I used that liquid before, is because my cuticles are very dry and they are glued to nail. So when I push them, sometimes it's a little bit hard. If I put that liquid, softens and I can separate them from nail plate very easy. Now with this drill bit, I'm doing clean work. I'm removing all the dead skin that is around the nail plate and under cuticle and under eponychium. Sorry, not cuticle. This was cuticle, we have to remove it. So now I'm using the nail scissor. This one is from Stalex. You know it by now. If you are watching my videos that I'm using Stalex tools, and these are amazing for manicure. And now I'm using this drill bit ball for polishing around the cuticles. This is removing any small flakes that are there or that cuticle scissor didn't took them. Now we are good to go for prep. I prep it already, sorry. I put one coat of base gel and I cure it before off camera, sorry. Now I'm using this palette, Perfect Macaron from Modelones. I talked many times about it. I like it. It's solid cream gel. And I like the texture. I like the colors. Pigment is very nice. You should give it a try. They have so many colors and palettes and shades and a lot. I'm doing one coat with this light yellow. And on ringer, as you see, I did only half because there I'm using the other half with another color. I'll make a combination of yellow and light, I think it's light blue or blue peacock, something like this color. So I'll make a combination of these two. On the other hand, I had another color from the other palette, Crazy Jelly Bean. Is slight difference. This one is peacock blue. I think on the other hand I have like mint green. Something, yeah. And I cure every layer. I cure it for 30 seconds under LED lamp. Now I'm adding the second layer that would give a stronger color. On the second layer here on the half fringe, I use the same color, same place, okay? I didn't switch. Now I'm using the 4-in-1 top coat from M-Share. This one is I'm using it when I'm placing rhinestones. So I will close these two nails. I finished them. I will put rhinestones on them and are finished. I just spread this gel around and that is all. With this gel, you can use it as like this. You can use it as well only as a top coat. But I encapsulate again after, just for beads to not get caught in hair strands or to fall off between manicures. So I place 3 beads there, cure it for 60 seconds, and after that I place another layer of top coat to protect as well the beads. I'm adding matte coat for the other two nails. No, only this nail, sorry, I'm adding matte coat. Only this nail. I cure it for 60 seconds. So now I'm doing the reverse French. So I use peacock blue where I used yellow, and I'm using yellow where I used peacock blue. I'm cleaning the sides and with a brush. These sticks, I bought them as well from Shein, are very good for cleaning sides when you are overflowing with polish. Now, on this brush, I have just isopropyl alcohol, disinfectant, and I'm cleaning where I want to see the French that is underneath. It's cleaning very well. You see how nice it's looking? I like this type. I will cure it for 30 seconds. And after that I can place the top coat. This top coat, I said I'm placing it over rhinestones to protect them, okay? And to not get caught in the hair strands. So now I'm using these stickers. These stickers I bought them from Shein. I use this heart shape, and it's easier if I'm putting on matte coat. I'm adding a little bit of base coat just to respect the shape of heart. It's much better when you're using this type of stickers, even for French, even for whatever you are using, to use a layer of base coat after placing the sticker. So the color will be caught without any breaks, without any gaps. I place 2 coats there, curate each coat for 30 seconds, and now I'm removing the sticker. It's very easy to remove it. The heart looks good like this, it's fine. I'm using now the glitter spider gel, reflective one from Born Pretty. I use this dot tool. I tried for first time with dot tool. Usually I was using the bamboo cuticle pusher. But it's easy to do a frame. I want to do just a frame for it, border only. I think I messed up with this heart shape. When I did the border, A little bit, yes. I'm making it here. I messed up a little bit. I made it too round. It's still looking good, but I could have done it better. You can see this reflective gel is placing very nice, easy, soft, and is a little bit shiny in the dark. A little bit. It's just very elegant. So I'm trying to clean a little bit the messed up there, but we will let it like this. I'm curing also 30 seconds. So each coat, each layer, each design that you are doing, you have to cure in between. The heart on the other nail is looking much better. I like it much more. I try to fix it here, but nah, it didn't went well. Still is looking like a heart. Now I place the top coat. Every time top coat, use it for 60 seconds under LED. And this is the final look. I hope you like it. And if you want to see any other design, just comment down below. I would be happy to try it, or any combination of colors. Have a look also on my other playlists for how to use solid non-stick gel and manicures and gel nails and shapes. So have a look and give it a like, please. Of course, if you like it. I will see you in my next video. And all these products, sorry, I want to say, all these products that I used, you can buy them. They are in the links in the description below. Have a nice time. Bye bye.